June the 20th, 2023, and throughout this video, you're going to see every trade I took today. You're going to see the full account history on the trading account, and you're also going to see the open trades. I am even going to show you the trading drawdown, and I wager you a fistful of dollars that you're not used to traders showing you real open drawdown, right? In essence, what I'm going to do is a full forensic accounting exercise for you. Because I am yet to see another YouTuber who is prepared to publicly trade his system. This is not a simulated backtest in MT4 or MT5. And this is not a forward test in TradingView. This is real trading on a wet Tuesday morning in a small town in the north of England, where finally the much needed rain is bringing the lawns back to life. You don't need to be told what is happening on the screen, because you can clearly see for yourself. You can see the time that the trades are open, the time that the trades closed, and you can see whether they were winning trades or losing trades. I'm only allowing 2 seconds per screenshot, because I want to get to the more important part of the video, which is showing you into the back office, which is where the profitability of this system is waiting for you to scrutinize everything. Now that we are in the account history tab, let's run through what happened. What were you doing around 8 a.m. this morning? While I was banking more money than some people see in a month. If you look at the 2 time columns, you can even work out for yourself that each trade was hitting the profit target in around 11 minutes from being placed. If this is not the most accurate system in the world, then come and challenge me by showing me a better one, because after trading for 25 years, I know you won't find one. Now look at the open drawdown on a $187,000 account. It is a ridiculously low $680. You need to pause that and rewind. Because to have virtually no drawdown on a system which generates 1% a day, every day, is miraculous, but real. I want to ask you a question. What would you need to see in this trading video to convince you to walk away from the shiny object syndrome that you currently have with trading? I guarantee you've lost count of how many systems you've looked at since that fateful day, possibly many moons ago, when you decided you were going to get rich quick trading the Forex market. Or am I wrong? You need to drop that stupid mentality, because until you do, all you will ever be is a gambler, and a losing one at that. I'm going to take away every excuse that you could possibly have not to become my next client. I made so much money trading this morning that at the end of the session I actually manually closed a small number of trades at a loss because I was way over my daily profit target. And one thing you need to understand, that if you are going to win in this game, then you need to know when to walk away from the table with your money. I'm going to give you the edge you need, just like a professional poker player knows how to count cards, which gives him the edge over the casino. This system gives you the edge over the markets, allowing you to walk away with pots of cash. The only thing you need to do now is get started before I become tempted to call you a loser. And you're not a loser, are you?